Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Fall Guys error code 2001040, then this is the right video for you. First, open your Epic Games launcher. Then, go to Library. From here, click on the three dots below Fall Guys. Then, click on Manage and then Verify. If that doesn't work, close Epic Games Launcher. Then search and go to Control Panel on your computer. Now go to Uninstall a program. From here, uninstall all the Microsoft C++ files. After that, close Control Panel and then open your web browser. From here, search Microsoft.com. Now go to the search bar and then search Redistribution C++. Now go to the first link as shown here. After that, scroll down and click on Download. Select all the files and then click on Next. Now, once the files are downloaded, locate the files on your computer. Then, install the files. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.